Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kapak, your science teacher, and I'm going to show you our after quest activity, Fun with Affixes. We're going to make our own words using the affixes that we've been practicing with, plus a few extras just to keep it interesting. So the first thing we're going to do is find a prefix or a root. These are at the beginning of the word. I have color-coded the prefixes for you in blue to help when you're making your words. What you're going to do is pick any one of them and you'll highlight it. So you highlight it, and if you press Control-C, it will let you copy that text. Next, click on the fourth slide where it says create your new words here. And so we're going to make the example now. So I did Control-V as in victory for paste. So we've got the front of the word done. Now we have to get the end of the word. So that's on slide 3. I'm going to pick any of these that I want. There are 2 that we've been studying, ology and centric or centrics. And so those are the ones that we've been using, but we added more just to, like I said, keep it interesting. So I'm going to choose ism. Control-C to copy it, go to the fourth slide, and now I want my ism to be next to the bar because we're making a word. So I have bar-ism, belief, pressure, or pressure, belief. That doesn't really make sense. And I know that normally when we have a term that we're defining as something that you believe in, I would say the belief in pressure. So that is my made-up word, bar-ism. The last step says at the bottom, when you finish creating your words, check them here. We're going to check to see if it's a real word. So click on where it says here and open up the link. A page with the free dictionary will show up. In the search bar, you can press the Control-V to paste your word and see if it is a real word. So the response says that word not found in the dictionary and encyclopedia. And then it asks if I meant any of these other words. Maybe I misspelled it. I did not, because I made up my own word. And so it is a made up word. Going back to this, I'm going to take one of the smiley faces and drag them over to my word to show that it is made up. If it was a real word, maybe like photosynthesis is a real word, maybe I made that up, I would drag one of the thumbs up over it. Once you're finished, let me know, I'll check, and then you'll be finished with class. But wait until you see the statement in the chat bar saying that you are finished. Thank you.